In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload an image to Adobe Express. So there are two ways you can do this. It depends on what you're trying to achieve. If you've got your image and you want to upload it and you want to create a project based off that image, you can go to the plus icon in the top left-hand corner. You can then click Upload Media and then choose your image, then click Open, and it's going to upload your media and it's going to ask you to choose a canvas size. Alternatively, you can use a template and add the image to the template. Now, if this is not what you're trying to achieve and you want to put this into an existing project, you need to first go and find or create the project. So for me, I'm scrolling down to recent files and we're going to add my image here to, let's just say, this project here. You can obviously find your project you want to add the image to. Now, once you're inside of the project, you then want to go to upload. So here on upload, it should be at the top. You can click on it and then it will open up your file explorer. You can find your image wherever it is on your computer and then click open. What that will do is add your image to the page, and here is the image. If you wanted to find it or any other images in future, you can go to your stuff, then go uploads, and you can even click images. And there you go. Here you see all of your uploaded images. So I hope that quick video did help you out.